Welcome back. Let's explore more features with WindyFlo. In this video, we will introduce you to WindyFlo's Pipeline Hub. The Pipeline Hub allows you to explore and use various AI pipelines created by other users. Let's start by clicking the Get Started button on the WindyFlo homepage, which will take us to the Pipeline Hub page. The Pipeline Hub is a page where you can find AI pipelines created by WindyFlo users. Here, you can easily discover and use pipelines created by others. You can favorite pipelines you like to save them, or fork a selected pipeline to edit and use it directly from My Pipeline. Additionally, with the Weekly Best and Monthly Best buttons, you can check out the most popular pipelines each week or month. By using the Filter button next to the search bar, you can find specific pipelines more easily. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the pipelines created by different users. In the Pipeline Hub, you can view details such as the creator's name, title, description, and tags related to the nodes used in each pipeline. This information helps you quickly understand the purpose and functionality of each pipeline. You can also assess the popularity and credibility of a pipeline through the number of stars, watches, and forks. Clicking on a pipeline will display its detailed information. On this page, you can add it to your favorites or fork it to save it to My Pipeline. Scrolling down, you can visually see the structure of the pipeline, and on the right, you'll find a detailed description. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the README written by the creator, offering additional insights on how to use the pipeline. Now, let's try forking a pipeline to add it to My Pipeline. Click the Fork button, which will take you to the Create a New AI Model Pipeline page. Here, you need to enter a pipeline name as a required field. You can also add a description and tags. These details help other users better understand your pipeline and increase its credibility. After entering all the information, choose whether you want your pipeline to be public or private. Note that the private setting is only available for users with a private plan or higher. Finally, click the Create AI Model Pipeline button, and the selected pipeline will be copied from the Pipeline Hub to My Pipeline. You can now freely edit and use this copied pipeline as you wish. Now you have a complete understanding of the Pipeline Hub. Use the Pipeline Hub to explore a variety of pipelines and easily create your own AI models. Start developing with WindyFlo and make AI development simpler and faster. Thank you for watching.